We've got quite the lineup today. Serious controversies, unexpected birthdays, and some fashion choices that are making us question everything. Let's dive in and break down the latest gossip. Starting with Foota Hype, stirring things up with Romeich Major.
I want to play a big fat sour shit belly coolie boy. You idiot. You remember we are ramp with.
Jah Cure celebrating behind bars, and Popcaan showing off his Call of Duty vibes. And guess what? Cardi B is eyeing a Vibes Cartel collab.
I heard Vibes Cartel want to do a song with me.
Let's get into the details. First up, Foota Hype is making headlines yet again, this time for going after Romeich Major in a brutal rant. He's accusing Romeich of supporting Derrick Morgan's homosexual lifestyle, calling it out as an agenda, and even implying that a large portion of Romeich team is on both sides. And the real kicker? Foota Hype claims Romeich is pushing this agenda through dancehall, which he firmly believes goes against the culture. He made some really bold claims, even targeting Jay Phrase for his past shaky comments online. What's wild about this whole situation is Foota Hype's relentless stance. He's not backing down, saying he'll continue to bun anyone who promotes these lifestyles. He even said he's organizing a fundraiser for another TikToker, Jerry, who's outspoken against homosexuality, making sure that Jerry gets more attention and support than Derrick. This entire rant got personal, and Foota even said Romeich is trying to be the Jamaican P. Diddy, pushing his own baddie man.
Cool with them. 90% of your camp go both ways. Uno not gonna like me, but uno not feel like me. Oh, Jerry they are give joke and Jerry a straight man. I'm not see you ready for sponsor Jerry. Me not see you ready for donate no money to Jerry. Jerry a man that talk about stiff food in a girl belly. Jerry a real man. Jerry they been a joke thing. I can't run a batty man joke with Jerry. None at all. Missy Isabella them and say, oh, Jerry used to sell him body. Jerry say, hey, no do that. We not gonna collect that money, you know. So, oh, you never want to sponsor the straight man. All of a sudden you fly up, boy, yeah, look money for Derrick. Romeich, me not trust you. Me not trust you, dog. Oh, you're so excited to help Batman all the while. Oh, you're so excited to turn on your phone, come talk about them kind of people there, a human too, and them loud the people them are. Yeah, use money and the little name to incorporate shaky business in the game. You're trying to normalize it. Nah, got me now. Nah, got me now. Nah, got me. And you know, say, do the call for your camp name. How much time and you still do them thing? It's like you push an agenda. It's like a something where you want to bring forward. Jerry no give joke. Jerry no make you laugh. So me never know, say, the excuse for get where as a Batman and for give joke. Oh. That's why the podcast where you own boy say him getting batty play with and him like it and not say nothing. Because enough people don't know say you're a podcast, you know. Enough people don't know you own the podcast. We are different Jerry badness. We will laugh with Jerry joke. No sprat can't give in a joke. I want to you. Serious business we are dealing. Straight nation, I want to you. Come around here like you promote batty business. You can go complain now to the general. Yeah, because you love complain to the general. Go and go complain. You move like a batty boy, Romeich, straight. Look like you get a piece of money to promote battymanism in the music and in a dancehall. Bo. John knows though, he make you laugh. Look how much people make you laugh. How much straight people make you laugh. Where you pick up a unknown batty man. It's not even somebody where them say undercover, them not sure about. We sure. And at him you want sponsor and give money. While Jerry they write this around a wild time. Remember Jerry in the same zone as you know. But you look past Jerry. Cause through Jerry straight. And Jerry burn fire upon Batty boy. So we are gonna make sure say Jerry get piece of food. We are gonna make sure say Jerry straight nation and make sure say Jerry get the money tomorrow. Since you are support do the people, we are support straight people. Yeah. We are gonna make sure Jerry get a piece of food tomorrow. My straightness brawling, me not beg no friend for nobody, you know. Uno not have to chat to me, uno not have to do no, uno not, me not care. Me not care. Yeah, straightness me deal with all if I hunger 5 fans me have, me alright. All if I hunger 5 followers me have, me alright. You see me? What kind of dirty batty business you try shoot on the people and man use your money to cover it? You idiot? You think we're blind, yes, sir? Eh? You think we're blind? You think we don't see what you do neatly? 3 days now, 2 days back, one and day you come and defend batty people. And about them a human, if allow them live. Where you get that from in Jamaica? And you want run up money now to get this do the boy. And you know see Jerry, we are talk base straightness. And I deal with the hood in a girl hole. You know, and that you want here. And that you want here. And that you want here. You're not happy. You don't want to sponsor that. You don't want to sponsor Jerry. You're quick for running in me here. Oh, Derrick look like him like me, you batty boy. I want him here. Jerry me rate. Derrick chuck to your mother. I want him here. Jerry rate. Straightness rate. I want him here. Straightness we are dealing. Big up Jerry. No shakiness. You well want to sponsor people bottom. Boy, y'all look money for Derrick. Pussy wall. You all know some little shit house. All you know have money. Killer that's like a suck out on the money. Bomb buckler. You know me respect your mother and everything, so I not tell you about your mother. I suck out your money, Romeich. I want to hear. Chop to your dirty money, Romeich. Broke your neck in your safe with your whole of your money. But you come push batty business for the people on that side. So you think we're idiot? Well, like when you think when you sleep, boy, I want to shit up the place. I want to go, man. And some girl, me see a post Derrick and Derrick a batty boy. I want to now post Jerry and Jerry a girlist. You never know. Any man me see post Derrick, you're gone, you can't tell me nothing. And what Derrick could have said for you and post on your page. We not rate, we not post, we not highlight, we not par with Sprat. You mad? You're crazy. You don't have to like me, you can hate me till God come. And one, two, blood clot. 2 old men around the place. One a Sprat and one straight. Why are the Sprat one you want to sponsor? Why? And I act like you don't see Jerry. You don't see Jerry around there so with Isabella and him and a girl do them thing. You don't see a big pum pum the man talk about. And who did a girl hole? I want to hear. We are sponsor Jerry. Tomorrow all straight nation forward out. If I even $5, we are put on Jerry. Me no want to send it to me. Me no want angle it, none at all. We are going to put up Jerry Zelle and put up Jerry Cash App. And put money on that and give Jerry a straight nation. We say, me will put the first 100 US towards Jerry. Me will put the first $100 US on Jerry Cash App tomorrow. And all straight nation people put even $5. I want to tell you, you're not going to make Jerry feel small. And make big batty boy Derrick feel like him and nobody got suck him mama. I want to tell you. Jerry badness we are dealing. Straight badness we are dealing. That's what I'm doing. But you think that we are sit down around here and make them come infiltrate and inject batty business in the local youth them without no opposition? Me, there, for burn on to ashes. You can't check them, you can't frighten them, you can't give me no chat. I remember when I post it on the battlefield, I'm a bad boy. I want to know. Buckle that you can go and go complain and ball now. You just lose everybody. That I tell you the Batman style. Boy, you can hype up Derrick, boy. Feel hype up Batty boy. The day before you prep the people and boy. Oh, when you see me go up on live on TikTok, whether the people are Batman or not, them are human beings. Them are not human beings. Them against God. Them are devil disciples. I don't want to see them. Once you align with them, we have burn you. Boy, Romeich, go sit down. Batman style you have up. I want to you. I beg no friend from no batty boy. No man where I promote batty business, me not beg no friend. I want to you. No frightened for no money or no sponsorship or no corporate money in a business. I want to you. Think I can use that to come check the people. Jerry badness tomorrow. I want to you. We have put some money in a Jerry cash app tomorrow. And a Jerry Zell. Make sure Jerry have money.
An agenda. I have to ask you though, do you think Foota Hype went too far with this one? Or does he have a point? Let me know your thoughts. Next up.
Draw me out, brother. You hear me I say? Because you say 90s badness or what, that have nothing to do with me. You love fast with people too much. I want the man to step on your foot the right way and humble you. You hear me I say, Dan? And I want the people them screen the cars and send this. Big nose boy. Remember say when you're there bomb buckle like a cassava piece, man, I have to help you and make sure you're boy, don't start with me, you hear? Remember that. Because you're hungry. Know what you do, you hear youth? Know what you do, youth. That me I tell you. Same blood clot Romeich is from Campbell's Boulevard and blood clot content that will help you and save you. Hey boy, know what you do. You hear? You can come on this and start this because me will find you. Because feel me money can't done. You hear me I tell you boy? Stop call up me and my team name. Every time you want to come call up people. You see me I say? Me love Shibada and me love Pretty than them for call up my name because them don't know me. You know me. You know me from day one, you know from where me I come from, you know me from zero. You hear me I say youth? Humble yourself.
Jah Cure is making the best of a bad situation. Even though he's still serving his 6-year sentence in the Netherlands, the True Reflections singer shared with his fans that he had an unexpectedly good birthday. Imagine celebrating in jail. He said it was the best birthday you could have in jail, thanks to support from inmates and staff alike, who helped him make cakes and serve food. It's wild to see Jah Cure still finding happiness in the darkest places. He thanked everyone, from different nationalities to prison guards, and it's clear that despite his circumstances, he's keeping his spirits high. Do you think Jah Cure's optimism is inspiring? Or are you still hung up on his legal troubles? Let me know what you think. Now for something a little lighter, Popcaan is at it again with his unique style. The dancehall star just posted photos of himself rocking an outfit made of green leaves, standing next to his Range Rover and a motorcycle. And if that wasn't enough, he's inviting fans to join him at the river. Honestly, this leafy ensemble has fans going wild in the comments, with people saying he's been playing too much Call of Duty or joking that he's ready to blend in with the bushes. Love it or hate it, Popcaan definitely knows how to keep things interesting. So, what do you all think about this look? Is Popcaan style on point, or is he taking things a bit too far? Drop your comments below. Cardi B has officially called out Russian to make a collab happen with none other than Vybz Kartel. On Instagram, Cardi was absolutely gushing about Kartel, saying he's her favorite artist in the world, and she's ready to cook up something beautiful and amazing with him. This isn't the first time Cardi's shown her love for Kartel, either. Remember, she's defended him in the past against some pretty harsh comments. But what's really got people talking is the idea of this potential collaboration. Could it be one of the biggest dancehall crossovers we've seen? What do you all think? Are you excited about this possible collaboration between Cardi B and Vybz Kartel?